I was asked why I always look sad, and I guess that's just how I look. When I was younger, my mom always thought that there was something wrong with me because I wouldn't be smiling and had a serious look in my face, but I'm not generally a sad person. I'm a realistic person when I look at things, and I try to be positive as much as possible, but I wouldn't consider myself as a sad person or that I'm depressed or anything. I just tend to have that look in my face when I'm really focused at working on something, and I have people come up to me and they're like, "Are you okay? What's wrong?" And I tell them I'm fine, and and they ask me, "Are you sure?" And so, I'm telling them, "Yeah, I'm fine. Why? What's wrong?" And they'll be like, "You look like you're depressed, or something's on your mind, or something's bothering you." And I just tell them, "No, I'm good." But for anybody who's wondering that, why sometimes in my videos or in person I don't look like I'm happy, it's not that I'm sad or depressed or anything. It's just that I just tend to have that look in my face. But I guess I'll try and work on looking happier, so I'm not all depressed or angry looking. And I remember getting that question all the time when I was growing up, and especially in high school, because in high school I didn't have any friends or anything, and so I always looked like I was angry or sad because I would be at the lunch table and I would be sitting there by myself, and the whole table was empty, and people would walk by and think I was angry or mad, and had a couple of guys that come up and they'd sit down and talk to me, and they said that other people thought that I was a mean person, or that I wouldn't talk to them, and they sat down and talked to me some, and they were like, "You're not as bad as what people say you are." And so I just told them I didn't really care about what people really think of me. I just be myself, and that's pretty much it. And so yeah, it was I guess it's strange sometimes when I think about it like that. I think that I come off to people as a very sad or aggressive or mean person when I'm really not. I just tend to have that look sometimes, and so I just want everybody to know that, just to clarify that for everyone, that I'm not sad or nothing, and that I'm doing pretty fine. I'm pretty happy with where I'm at, and so yeah. If you ever notice that about me, it's not that I'm sad or angry or depressed. I just have that look on me, and so I know some people were concerned, like, "You okay, Jacob? Is everything fine?" Like, "Yeah, I'm totally fine." But yeah. So figured I'd just put that out there and let everyone know that I'm alright.